I gotta start juicing more, you guys. Behold, my name is Janelle Cars, and I eat my burrito with a fork and knife. Oh, and with those roasted cashews, baby. Okay, woo, there's a bee. I have a surprise for you.
Oh no.
Yeah, I do. Friends, hello. How the heck are you? I hope you're doing really good. I do. I hope you're doing super swell. I am doing pretty great today. If you're not having a particularly great day, one, hugs. Big, big hugs. Bring it in. Bring it in. Secondly, I hope that by the end of this video, maybe, perchance, I can make your day feel a little bit more swell. Maybe I can try and put a little bit of pep back in your step. But no pressure, no pressure. I'm just glad that you're here. I am. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, hey, I'm Janelle. I do recipe videos and stuff. I teach people how to cook vegan, plant-based, healthy, high protein, good food and stuff. And occasionally I do videos like this, what I eat in a day vlogs. And we are starting this day kind of in the middle of the day. I did not film my breakfast or my lunch, okay? Yes, there are screaming children outside of my house right now. I apologize. Your girl has a 10-pound bag of carrots. Yes, I showed you guys this in my Costco haul, which is already up on my channel. Went up a couple days ago. So today we're gonna do some juicing. I think I'm gonna do a couple juices maybe for today and for tomorrow. Now you guys might not know this about me, but I have just gotten into juicing this year and it has been absolutely game-changing. And I admit I haven't really done a lot of videos on my juicing, but man, I love juicing. It's just such a great way to get in so much nutrition in a very compact dose. And flip me. Fresh, homemade, cold pressed juices are chef's kiss, the best ever. This is a beet, carrot, apple, ginger juice. I don't have a fancy name for it. If you come up with one for me, let me know in a comment. I would love a fun name for this juice. I'm using a cutting board that I really don't care about. This one's old and stained, and I don't care if it gets beet juice all over it. But I probably should be wearing an apron. That would be intelligent of me. I like to live on the veg. This little baby's my Huron juicer, you guys, and I love it dearly, and why can't I open it? Am I okay? Am I okay? I'm fine. This model is the H70, and I love it to pieces. It's a cold pressed juicer. Now this is my very first juicer that I've ever had, and I will say I am very spoiled and very lucky to have such like a top of the line juicer as my first one. So I am blessed and I know it. This thing is like such a beast. It leaves the driest pulp, which you'll see in a moment, and it extracts so much juice. Away it processes. How much ginger is too much ginger? That is a question I ask myself a lot. Surprisingly, you really only need like this much ginger for like a ton of juice, because ginger is so strong, and you'll make it way too spicy if you add too much ginger. Okay, now something I often will do when I'm juicing is I grab like my blender jug, which is a lot bigger than the juicing jug that comes with the juicer. I'll put a sieve over top, and then I still have more juice to pour out from the juicer, but with what I have right now, I'm just gonna carefully pour it into the blender. Oh, snap! I knew that would happen. Observe the carnage. That looks brutal. One moment. Perhaps opt to do this over the sink, but since I'm a dummy, I'm gonna still persevere. Okay, could be worse, could be better. Minimal drippage here. This is usually not this messy. I swear, it's only because I'm filming that I'm making a mess, I promise. It's just how it happens. Okay, but as you can see, I got some pulp that would have ended up in my juice, so I'm glad I extracted some of that. A little stir. Smells divine. If you're a beet lover, then this is a kind of juice you'll love. If you're not a beet lover, highly doubt you'll like this. Oh, y'all, that is good. Cheers. You want one? I made it just for you. I gotta start juicing more, you guys. It's time for a fun fact. Today's fun fact is Brad and I have been together for almost 15 years. I know, that's crazy. I literally cannot believe it's been 15 years we've been together. Mind blowing. I love being married to Brad. He's the freaking best. He's the bomb.com. He's my best friend. He is an incredible person. He is just this ball of sunshine and positivity, and he makes me a better person, okay? He just does. I love him to bits. He is everything. So I've been wanting to do something kind of special for him, okay? Context. Another fact you probably didn't know is that Brad broke his wedding ring a couple years ago. Yeah, how does one break a wedding ring? Okay, well, I'll tell you how. You order an $80 ring off of Etsy and hope that it lasts forever. Spoiler alert, it won't. It will last you about 6 to 7 years, okay? Tops. So, his $80 Etsy ring has broken, okay? He's been ringless for a couple years now, okay? And he's needed to get that thing replaced for a while. He has not been successful in that, but I have a surprise for him today. Yes, I do, because I love him. I have partnered with MSBLUE, you guys, to get him a brand new wedding ring. If you have not seen me talk about MSBLUE before in previous videos, they are a jewelry company that produces ethically made and sustainable jewelry. All of their gemstones and diamonds are all lab grown and nothing is mined, which is amazing because mining is incredibly destructive to the planet and the environment, and it has a massive environmental and human cost. And what I love about MSBLUE is that all their jewelry is incredibly sustainable and ethically made, and also really affordable compared to mined jewelry and mined diamonds and gemstones. Observe! Yes, it's a beautiful ring. And fun fact, I'm just full of fun facts for you guys today. Brad has arthritis in both of his ring fingers, ironically. So he actually can't even wear rings on his ring finger anymore. But he still wants to wear a wedding ring. So he has decided that he will eventually start wearing a ring on his pinky finger. So I got it sized to fit his pinky finger. And he's gonna look like a mob boss in the mafia. This pinky ring, which I think is really funny, but I'm also really excited. You guys, I'm gonna be surprising him with this ring tomorrow. So we're going up to Cypress Mountain. It's about an hour away from here. It's a really nice drive. And I'm gonna present this to him in the trees on the top of the mountain. It's gonna be really nice. We're actually heading to Cypress for a car rally. Quick ramble about the car rally, because I gotta hype this up a bit, okay? It's for owners of Mini Coopers, okay? Yeah, we drive a Mini Cooper. You may have seen it before in other videos. A little red Mini Coupe that we love. It's zippy and fun and sporty. And this rally is for people with their minis to drive up to this mountain. We get out, we have a barbecue, drinks, there's contests and games, and it's like a whole thing. It sounds really fun. So while we're up there, I figured it's the perfect timing. I got the ring, I got the car, I got the mountain, I got the trees, I got the sun, I've got everything. It's just gonna hopefully be an epic moment. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a little later on in the video. Anyway, okay. Excited. With that in the bag, well, I guess I shouldn't say it's in the bag yet. It'll be in the bag tomorrow. Let's go make some dinner. We're gonna do burritos. In fact, I've got freezer burritos that I meal prepped in a previous video that you guys may have already seen. Okay, so I've got some freezer burritos that I made the other day. The recipe is up on my channel if you want to check it out. I'm just reheating it in an air fryer basket, sans wrapping, okay? Putting the seam side down. Got 2 here, 1 for me, 1 for Brad. About half hour, maybe 25 minutes at about 375 is gonna do it. These will be nice and hot, ready to go. Quick, easy, high protein, delicious plant-based burrito. Just over 500 calories and 34 grams of protein per burrito. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm excited. I'm actually really hungry. Behold, my busted open burrito. Yes, it got a little too hot and bothered in the air fryer, and it kind of burst on one side. They're pretty big and honky burritos, so I don't blame it. It just couldn't contain itself. I made just a really quick, easy, lazy salad. It's got some arugula in here, some microgreens, some chopped bell pepper. And that's pretty much it. And I've got some of this stuff that I love adding to my salads. Nonna Pia's balsamic glaze. If you know, you know. I pretty much never buy salad dressing anymore because this is like all I use. It's delicious. Simple, but effective. There we go. There's its guts. You can see some of the shredded tofu in there, black beans. Yikes, that's hot. Ow! My name is Janelle Cars, and I eat my burrito with a fork and knife. Okay, people, we were not going to have dessert. We looked at each other and we're like, we're full. We don't need to eat dessert, right?
Right.
Wrong. Wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong, wrong. What I have before you is blessed and holy. It is the sacred Okanagan peach. I have praised the Okanagan peach before, and I will praise it again. It is the superior peach. It is the ultimate peach. It is the peach of all peaches. Oh my God. Succulent, sweet, delicious, peachy goodness. Peach. I could eat a peach for hours.
Day 2.
Okay folks, chia pudding is the breakfast of champions when you need something really quick and satisfying. So I added some chia seeds and chai spice protein powder to a jar with some cinnamon and some plant milk, a little vanilla and maple syrup for a little extra flavor and sweetness. Stirred it all up, popped it in the fridge to soak for about 20 to 30 minutes while I was getting ready to go. And then boom, you got chia seed pudding. It's amazing, thick, creamy, dreamy. I topped it off with some pears that needed to get used up. Added a little dash of cinnamon for a little extra mwah. And this was great. I always forget how incredible chia pudding is. Really good for busy mornings, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Okay.
The Olympic rings.
Yes, actually, I have brought you to the Olympic rings for a very special reason.
Oh, you don't say.
Yeah, actually, everyone who's watching knows what's about to happen,
How do you?
But you don't.
Oh, don't I?
I have a surprise for you.
Oh no.
Yeah, I do. Do you like surprises?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! There's a bee. So,
Yes.
close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, I can see they're closed.
Am I pregnant? No. Go ahead.
So you know how you lost your wedding ring, or you broke your wedding ring a few years ago?
You said we.
You broke your own wedding ring a few years ago.
Accidentally, not on
Yes.
purpose.
And you know how you also have big, fat, arthritic ring fingers?
Not fat. They're just big boned.
Big, literally. I got you a wedding ring.
Ah.
To also not only replace your broken wedding ring, but to celebrate us being together for 15 years and married for 8, and also just to show you how much I love you. It's by MSBLUE.
Oh, look at that. So beautiful.
And I got it sized to fit your pinky finger, as you've already gathered. And I also got myself a ring too from
Look at that.
MSBLUE, because girls deserve an extra ring or two in life.
Well, thank you so much.
Yours is a stainless steel, dear, with moissanite diamonds, and you have a layer of 14 karat gold inside. So it's a two-toned ring. And then mine is also two-toned with moissanite diamonds on the outside, and it's actually got a layer of rose gold on the inside. So we both got special two-toned bands.
Very cool.
Yeah. Do you love it?
I love it, but I love you more than it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Giving rings in front of the rings.
It is.
Yeah.
Rings in front of the rings. I planned that. I planned that. Rings in front of the rings.
I planned nothing. Okay.
Love you. Mwah. I hope you had a fun day.
I did.
We're home, and it's been a long day of driving. My goodness, but it was great, and I'm hungry, so let's make some dinner. Behold, leftovers: quinoa, salad, tofu, hummus, salad dressing I made the other day. I'm gonna go roast up some cashews. I kind of like to just dry toast nuts in like an unoiled little frying pan for like 5 minutes or so, just until they become a little bit golden brown, roasty toasty, you know? Okay, salad is spinach, arugula, shredded carrot, onion, some orange slices, and I think that's it. Oh, and some microgreens. Yum, yum. Then I'm gonna add a nice little, dollop of some hummus for a little extra protein and goodness. Roasty toasty cashews. I've got some salad dressing that I made the other day. It's got soy sauce, ginger, apple cider vinegar, sesame oil, garlic powder. Really good. Oh my god! Y'all, what a day. I can definitely say I have never experienced anything quite like a mini rally. Thanks for inviting me, dear. Dinner. This feels very healthy compared to what we had for lunch today. The hummus, orange, sesame, ginger dressing. Oh my gosh. This is all like a very good combo. Oh, and with those roasted cashews, baby.